think if a big fire happens right now, our community will be ready kasi we have done precautions and we know yung mga tamang gawin once it happens. So I think we will be ready for whatever happens.
And I am a student and also a journalist, and I believe that if a fire happens to me or my community right now or in this very moment, I believe that we were somewhat ready, but also at the same time, there are also other things that we need to improve, such as first the evacuation areas. Since evacuation areas are crucial for the benefit of being safe during fire alarms or fire hazards. Next is also the response, the quick response to fire. What are the initial response if you are trapped in a fire, if you are being trapped inside a house or inside a building when there's a fire. So there's certain levels of understanding and certain levels of what we need to do during fires, and I believe that it is very important for the people to understand and learn the basics of how we should prevent and how we should deal with fire in case that a fire might break out on our community.
For me, I think that if a fire occurred at this very moment, I think that my community and also me would not be ready to prepare for that specific event, since as I've seen it, hindi gaanong natatouch sa ating community or kahit sa ating school yung konsepto ng preparation para sa mga disaster when it comes to fire. Since parang natatouch lang siya kapag napag-uusapan yung mga drills. So I think that hindi gaanon ka-prepare yung mga tao na i-navigate yung ganong mga instances, since hindi siya gaano natatouch, and kadalasan parang natatouch lang yung mga ganong specific na topic kapag nababanggit siya sa mga school through formal announcement. Pero I think with proper intervention and kung mas may papaliwanag sa mga tao or mas ipaparating sa kanila yung understanding when it comes to the importance ng pag-handle ng ganong mga situation, I think that our community will be ready and prepared para harapin yung ganong mga klaseng encounters. I think with the right amount of understanding, preparation, and training, magkakaroon tayo ng possible ways para ma-handle na maayos ang ganong mga situation and ma-lessen yung mga risks na pwede nating maabot sa ganong klaseng situation. And thank you.